Hello dear students, today we are going to study the 7th class mathematics, that is an integer. In previous classes we are studied some properties of an integer. On the basis of these properties we can study here, we will study here some problem on the basis of the integer. First one, how to add the integer, how to subtract the integers, and how to multiply the integers, right? How to divide the integers. You see here some problem. One. First one, that is -1 plus -2 plus 5. You see here the two numbers are negative in this sum and one is positive. Whenever there is like sign, whenever there is similar sign, we can add the two numbers and put the sign before the addition. That sign is negative. Then what is the addition of 2 and -1? Here -1 and -2, that is 3, 1 plus 2, that is 3, and sign before the number, that is negative sign, and taking this 5, then we will operate these two numbers here. Then one is negative here and another is positive. When there is different sign, we can take their difference and apply the sign before the sum. Here you see what is the difference of -3 and 5. You see, difference is 2. What is the sign of the greater number? You see the positive sign, because 5 is greater than 3. Therefore, we can apply here positive sign and our answer is 2. We will take the another example. Next, -3 minus of -7. You see this example, first number is negative, another number is negative, but here negative sign is there. Negative sign is there. Whenever negative sign outside the bracket, that sign will be product. Minus into minus, that is equal to plus. Positive into positive, that is equal to positive. And positive into negative, that is equal to negative. Negative into positive, that is equal to negative. Dear students, see here, whenever there is similar sign, the result is positive. Here also you see the product is positive, and here positive and positive, positive, and when there is a different sign, then the product of that two integer is negative. Here also you see negative and positive, then the sign of the product will be negative. Therefore, using this minus and minus plus, so therefore this can be written as 3 plus 7. Now you see, one number is negative and another number is positive. In this case, we can take the difference of the two numbers and apply the sign of the greater number. Therefore, the same difference is 4. Then sign of the greater number is positive. Therefore, the answer is positive. Third one more example. Negative 5 plus negative 11. What will be the product of these two integers? You see here, both are negative, and then the product of the two negative numbers is always positive. Therefore, 11 5s are 55, and here answer is positive answer. Dear student, to see fourth problem, that is negative 6 into 7. You see here, one is negative and another is positive. In this case, one is negative, another is positive, means the result of the product is negative. Here also we can multiply these two numbers, that is 6 into 7, 42, and the sign is negative. Why sign is negative? Because the product of this here negative and positive numbers are always negative. Okay, dear students, next problem we will see here. When we consider the more than 3 numbers, dear student, you see here, fifth, that is fifth number, you see negative 2 plus negative 3 plus negative 1 plus 2. More than 2. Here there is more than 2 integers in this case. Now you first of all you operate these two numbers. Operate these two numbers. Afterwards you can add the another 2. Then we will get here negative and negative. In the additions, whenever there is 2 negative numbers, we can add them and we can apply the common sign. Therefore, dear student, negative 2 and negative 3, that is equal to negative 5. Then we will operate these two numbers and apply the sign. There is negative number and one positive number, then we can take the difference of these two numbers. Then the difference of two number is 1, but the sign of the greater number is positive. Therefore, we can apply the positive sign here. Then now you tell me what is the sum of the negative 5 and plus 1. You see, we can take the difference 5 because there is not similar sign. One is negative, another is positive. Therefore, the difference is 4 and the sign of the greater number is negative. Therefore, our answer is negative 4. We'll see one more example here. Sixth, negative 2 plus negative 3 plus negative 3 plus 2. You see here, there is also more than 2 integer. First of all, we can consider the all 3 negative numbers here. Here you see 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8. Therefore, the sum of the negative number is negative 8. Then, after taking plus 2, now we can operate these two numbers. What will happen here? You operate this number, because one negative and another is positive, therefore the difference is 6, and apply the sign of the greater number, that is negative. Answer is negative 6. Dear students, now you see several problems, that is -3 minus negative 8. In this case, you see here both the numbers are negative, but outside the bracket there is negative sign here. Therefore, we can write this number in the form negative 3 and negative into negative, that is negative into negative, that is positive. Therefore, 8 will be positive here. Now, when we operate this number, we can take the difference. Why? Because of these two negative, one is negative and another is positive. Therefore, they do not have similar sign. Therefore, the difference is 5, and the sign of the greater number is positive here. So dear, such type of problems you can solve with the help of your exercise and practice more of this topics integer. Thank you, Manayan. Thank you.